Get up. Maxwell, sit. Maxwell, sit. No.
This person would just scoot over. Do you mind, sir? Sir? So let's reverse it. We exploit them. Release the peasants!
Maxwell. Maxwell. Max.
Served with a starter and drink for just $10. Out with the cousins and Aunt Nancy. It was politely described as a free spirit. Together, we Chili's.
Yeah.
It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno. It's really good. Guys, it's just Wendy's new Parmesan Caesar. It really is good.
Try Wendy's new Parmesan Caesar salad for yourself. Just want a mini made fresh every day. It's a salad.
Maxie will go anywhere for the laser.
Well,